Right, you're in for a real treat today. As I've said before, every sort of 25 videos in this project that I started in January regarding something that I really love, which is self-publishing, I would produce a video. And so we've done one at 25 videos, we've done one at 50 videos, and now this is the one at 75 videos. Now obviously I've got more videos than that on my channel. There's something like 105 or something altogether, but there's a group of them from quite a while ago on a bike ride. This is really about the project, and I published them years ago, and they just basically sat there, but I've only just sort of brought them to the front, if you like, so that people can see what got me into self-publishing and doing this in the first place. But I'm still shy. I'm finding it easy to look at the camera. I look forward to doing the videos. So yeah, everything's moving along nicely. We're a great group of people here now at something like 669 subscribers. So I'm absolutely thrilled with that. And, we're growing daily, which is good. Some days someone might drift off, and then by the end of the day or the next day, 2 or 3 have jumped on. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it, and I'm hoping you are too, or at least taking something from it, and ideally putting something back. I mean, if you've got any ideas or information, input, something you don't really agree with, or something you agree with, or get it in the comments. Let's talk about it. Let other people talk about it and see what they can come up with. Because we're there to help each other at the end of the day, I think. I'm going to show you around the office. I know I did that at the beginning. There's a video there showing you actually me creating the office. But there's things, no doubt, that some of you are new and haven't even seen those videos, but they're there. But no doubt that you'll want to see what's behind this door, maybe. What's up here? What's up these stairs? Maybe even what's in this cupboard at the side. We're going to do that in a second. I just wanted to say, yeah, things are really moving on. They're really good. I'm just going to show you a few stats here now on the computer before we go on a bit of a walkabout. So everything's on the up. Up, up, up. And I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled with that. Thank you for your support. We're now looking at some graphs. As each month goes by, I'll enter in views, watch time, subscribers, impressions, click-through rate, average view duration in minutes. And I'll enter those in individually. So we're on May now, but we've not finished it yet, so I can't really enter anything in there. So, but if I did, or I entered it in any of these, if I was to put, say, 1,000 there, let's just show you, instantly this graph goes up. It's just a way of me playing about like the big boy I am. So here it is, the base unit or desktop computer, and I'm super excited. It's actually quite heavy, but I'll put some specs on the screen so you can, some of them, so you can see what this thing is made of. But no doubt it's going to improve my productivity. I've stressed before the importance of having the best computer, the best setup really you can afford. Get some money coming back in first before you build up, which is what I did. It was over a year that I was sat at the kitchen table, and once I started to see money coming in and I could see the potential, I used all my earnings from book sales, saved them, and kept everything to one side and invested it in this office once we moved house. So yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled to bits. I'm thrilled to bits with this investment. There's nothing worse than waiting for things to happen or things not working as they should. I'm hoping this does the trick. So let's open the box. Let me just clear a bit of space here, get rid of this junk. I see. I'm calling it junk already. Hang on. Turn it up. What have we got? Where's my glasses gone? All kinds of things are going on in here. Right, so there's the case, and I must admit, they're big. Okay, so we've got all the instructions on the side. Well, my guy, we don't need instructions, but better keep them. Right, okay. And now I'm going to install everything and see how it looks, just to declutter this place, because I really can't stand it. It's nice to have a nice clean look, but I'll probably end up filling it full of junk again anyway. Maybe I could keep everything over there on a tray. But right, let's get to work on it. Right, so what we've got here on the screen is my new computer. Now I'm finding productivity's up. It's up in a big way. Even doing the videos, I'm watching the videos process so much quicker. Instead of leaving it to process a 10-minute video while I disappear and have a coffee or do whatever I've got to do, I'm watching it process in front of my eyes. And that's brilliant. So the specs here, for those who are kind of spec-you, those who not just avoid, it's so it's an i7 12-core processor at 12,700 3.6 gigahertz. I've not got a clue, but you know, it looks pretty quick to me. And then there's 32 gigabytes Corsair Vengeance DDR, and I believe that the DDR RAM is much quicker. But then again, there's always lots of variables, isn't there, with these things, and tweaks, and you know the score. Graphics card, 6 gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 Super, VR ready. Now, I don't think I'll be needing VR anytime soon, but it's nice to know that there's a little bit of grunt there in this. I've got 2 separate 1 terabyte SSD drives. Now, I wanted the SSD again for quietness and for speed, for access. So I've got 2 SSD drives in there. I've got SSD drives, external ones, all kinds of things going on, but you can't have enough storage space to back everything up. Power supply, Corsair Ultra Quiet, and then there's the Hydro Series high performance CPU cooler. And anyway, that's it. I'm now going to do a bit of a walkabout and I'm going to talk you through what's going on around here and what makes my life comfortable in this office. Right, okay, so we're looking back now. I'm using my iPhone for this. We're looking back into my office from the doors and going over a few things. I've stopped using these lights. I find I don't really need them, or I haven't really worked out how to use them. I haven't been out on my Koga World Traveller for a little while. I think now the weather's picking up. I think that'll be due for a little run somewhere. And as we look over here, looks like a bit of a waiting room, doesn't it? But it's cosy. I like it. And my daughters. Some little pictures of my daughters on the wall there. And what's in this cupboard? Nothing really. Electric cupboard. But it keeps it nice and tidy. And it's just a cupboard I bought, a skinny one from IKEA, along with a plastic plant. But because it's so dark in here, with it being a garage basically, I can't really have anything living. I'm struggling myself. Right, my camera, and it's my Sony A7R II, and it's been a real true friend to me, this camera. My Rode mic, again I'm still trying to adjust to that. Love the monitors, the Samsung monitors, and the arms, great for just moving the monitors wherever I want to, which is obviously the idea. And my little plant there, again, it's not a real one unfortunately. So, typical bookcase up here, and my friend Piranha, on my 40th birthday I was in a canoe in the Brazilian Amazon. On my way back I picked this little fella up that had been dipped in resin, managed to get it home. It's been with me ever since. And my little gladiator helmet, it's probably Trojan by its design, I would have thought, I don't know, but yeah, I've wore that on a fancy dress and did all right. So what's behind this door? Well, it's the laundry. It's the laundry to our house. and my grandson's little teddy bear, and the kitchen rocking horse in the background. So now you know what's behind this door. Everything's really well set up. There's a local fella, he's blind, and he does really well. I've stopped parking my car though on the side of the road because he beats it to death with his stick. A lovely fella. Right, so up the stairs we go. Now I had to put these stairs in myself and convert this up here so that there was somewhere to keep some items away from the bugs and to let a bit of air in. A bit of light coming through downstairs. This section here is going to be a bit of a den for my grandson and any other grandchildren. This bit I'll convert into more office space at some point, once I've done a little bit of work in the loft space to make more storage there. So yeah, back down, and we're taking a little walk outside. My little truck. Yeah. So that's it. I hope you like the office space.